Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious blue cheese dip. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 ounces of your favorite blue cheese, half a cup of good quality mayonnaise, and half a cup of sour cream. Don't forget a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. We'll also use a 1/4 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, plus salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Having everything at room temperature helps achieve a smooth consistency. Now, let's get to mixing. Start by crumbling your 4 ounces of blue cheese into a medium bowl. You can use a fork to mash it slightly if you prefer a smoother dip. Next, add the half cup of mayonnaise and half cup of sour cream. Pour in the teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and the squeeze of lemon juice. Sprinkle in the 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder. Gently fold everything together until it's beautifully combined and creamy, ensuring no lumps remain. Once your dip is mixed, it's time to perfect the seasoning. Add a pinch of salt and a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. Give it a taste and adjust any of the seasonings to your liking, perhaps a little more lemon for brightness or extra blue cheese for a stronger flavor. After seasoning, cover the bowl tightly. Then, place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all those wonderful flavors to fully meld together, creating a richer, more complex dip. Your homemade blue cheese dip is now ready to be enjoyed. This versatile dip is perfect with a platter of crisp vegetable sticks like celery, carrots, and bell peppers. It's also the classic accompaniment for spicy buffalo wings or golden brown chicken tenders. Don't limit yourself. Try it as a flavorful spread on your favorite sandwiches or wraps. For an extra touch, garnish with some freshly chopped chives or a light dusting of paprika. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.